What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna show y'all how I catch my trade and how I trade in London, range, and possibly predict what will happen in New York. So this is our agent session. So this it's two scenarios that could happen right here. Let me type this. These are the two scenarios, right? So the S stands for, the A stands for agent. So first up here, we got when your agent session, we actually accumulate, meaning it's building up liquidity, and this is building up liquidity for your London session to manipulate, right? So agent session accumulates, London session manipulates. Now within this, you're looking for that market structure shift and the fair value gap, and then you're going under midnight opening price. Make sure we have to be under midnight opening price for me to take my trade, and under agent lows if I'm looking for buys. We would then take that off that fair value gap and take price to the low hanging fruit, which will be your agent buy side liquidity, right? So this is the other way where price opened up and we expanded. Agent session retraced, but it kept expanding and expanding and expanding, and we opened up midnight opening price low at the bottom. So when this happened, you would look for a retracement into a PD array on the higher time frame at the 50% mark of the agent range. So you're gonna enter off of that, or you can wait for a shift after touching that, enter off the gap that was created after that, and then take shorts when you're above midnight opening price. And then in this case, you're going to target like previous day lows, a bullish PD array, where you want price to reverse that. You will take it into that draw liquidity. Versus up here, you're just waiting for a shift in the gap, and you're going to take it back up to the Asian buy side, or you can use your standard deviations and target that -2 standard deviation, right? Lastly, you can have this same setup right here, but instead of just waiting for a shift in the gap, you wait for it to hit a point of interest. So a point of interest would be like fair value gap, order block, your previous day lows, or anything like that. So if you wanted to hit a point of interest, shift up, gap, enter, boom, target that low hanging fruit. I usually target midnight opening price at first, and then I target the Asian highs, then the whatever standard deviation is above that. But if we come over here, as y'all can see right here, we have NQ and ES. So what made me take short right here is, as you can see, we got our agent session expanding. So I'm expecting NQ to pull back to that 50% mark in this gap, which it did. And that was my entry for shorts. As you can see over here, we made a new low on NQ, but over here we made a new high on ES, targeting sweeping them Asian highs. So I went short, and as you can see, I targeted previous lows. That was my draw liquidity, where I knew low hanging fruit, where I knew price was gonna go. First two is right here, but I moved it to right here. Those are relative equal lows. So as you can see the divergence between the two. And then again, I knew we was gonna drop again, because if you look right here, we got SMT. NQ swept previous day highs, ES didn't. On NQ we made a new high, ES we made a new low. So that was a high quality SMT for our shorts that confirmed me being bearish for this London session, even though it looked ugly. And then yeah, and all we did for New York in the real time is retrace. So we had accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We set previous day highs on both of them. So Tuesday should put in the high of the week. For the weekly profile of Tuesday, put in the high of the week. So for the rest of the week, price should look like, so we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday distributing down, and that's the weekly profile for this week that I'm expecting. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all have a wonderful day, and like, comment, and subscribe.